Hey, all you cool cats and kittens, if you don't get that phrase, go ask somebody, because you are definitely doing quarantine wrong if you have not seen that show yet. As you can tell behind me, we're down here at the lot, and obviously if you clicked on the title, then you know what to expect because we're down here at the lot. As you can tell, what I'm wearing, I just got off work, coming down here to give you a quick run through. So the last couple of days I've been down here at the lot, and I've been doing some clearing on camera and off camera. When you have the camera down here, it kind of cuts into what you're doing because you're setting up different angles. So I've done right much off camera. I'll include some clips of what it was that I got on camera, that way you can see the progress. But now, as you can tell, I cleared out this whole end in front of the house. There's some seriously tall trees, dead trees, and some larger trees in diameter that needed to be cut down, and I got them down. I got them cut down. Now, once I got them cut down, I hadn't necessarily got rid of them yet. They're all laying right here, ready to be processed, cut up into firewood. I try to take some of it and put it through the chipper. As you can see the chipper pile, and you'll see in the video, I chipped up mostly what I could. What I can't get chipped up is over there in a pile. That'll be burned or either carried to the dump area in town that has a debris bin you can throw that into. And so I tried to clear out this area here with the chipper. That really took some time. This was just a giant wall of green, and the idea was that you could come in this driveway over here with a trailer, loop around, and go back out that driveway over there. That tree is going to be gone eventually. I just don't have the room for it to fall yet. But the idea was so that you could look through the driveway with the trailer and get to the house and start working on the house. It felt like I wasn't getting anything done, so I went clearing toward the house, and that was really what was holding me up, was those really big trees that I had to have room for them to fall down without hurting myself. And that's basically what's been going on with this lot here. Now, as I've always said, welding jobs come in waves. They really do. It seems like you can be in the middle of working on your own stuff and hitting a dry spell there, and then all of a sudden a wave comes in. So if you saw in the last video, you saw the UNC chairs. So that guy was really pleased, and he's making money off those chairs. So obviously he wants them done, and he has 7 or 8 more that he wants done, but he doesn't want to order those brackets. Those brackets cost him a fortune, and obviously he's not making too much of a profit if he's paying that much for a bracket. So he wants me to make a similar bracket that's about the same, but I can do it for a whole lot cheaper, and he can make more money off of it, or sell it for cheaper and make the price more appealing to people. Also, second job came in, is going to be a boat trailer. That boat trailer is coming in Sunday. Today's Friday. I just got off work. It's Friday afternoon. I go in tomorrow, work all day. Sunday, guy's bringing a boat trailer in, and the leaf springs are completely rusted out. He takes his 21-foot Grady White out to the beach at Emerald Isle on North Carolina coast. Really nice, pretty beach. Anyway, he takes it down there to go fishing and what have you. So he was going to replace the leaf springs in it and figured out they were shot, the hanger brackets. When he got down there, he realized the hanger brackets for the leaf springs were rusted through almost completely, and he wanted those redone. So he already had bought the leaf springs. He contacted me, and now he wants to go ahead and have me weld in new brackets, put on the new springs, pretty much go ahead and redo all of what's rusted out on this galvanized trailer. I don't really like welding galvanized. As you know, it produces a toxic gas, but it's not that big of a deal. You can stay safe. If you're outside, get out of the plume, it's not a big deal. It's really not. And then the third job is a wrecker truck, and we'll see that in just a minute. The wrecker truck comes from a guy near where I work. He heard him, a friend actually told him about me, and so he called me up and said, hey, I got this truck. It comes from up north. It is extremely rusted out, and can you fix it, man? Can you help me out? And yeah, I'm gonna help you out, bud. The actual chassis portion of the truck is fine. It's the sub chassis, I guess you would call it, where the actual body of the wrecker is. And so I'm gonna get in there and get that fixed up for him. and possibly a fourth job coming in. I haven't contacted a guy yet, and I don't know if I really want to do it because it's a small sensitive piece. I can weld on it, yeah, sure, but when it comes to small stuff like that, you're probably better off to take it to a machine shop where they can precisely weld it. Where they don't want welded, they can cut it back down. I can't do all that, but I'm gonna call him up, see what he wants, and that'll be job number 4. So a lot of stuff coming up. Stay tuned on the channel. If you like what you see on the channel, hit that thumbs up. It helps the channel out greatly. You have no idea. Like, hit that thumbs up, it really helps out. And if you want to keep tagging along with what's going on, hit that little red subscribe button down in the corner. It'll let you know when I post something new, and you can come hang out with me on the channel. The channel is based off my welding business. It's a small welding business that I run on the side on my off days. Obviously, as we talked about before, from the fire department. It's just a side business. I'm not trying to go full-time with this. It's just on the side, but it shows you how to get started, what it takes to get started, and what jobs come in. As a small shop, you know, you can't really, I mean, you can pick and choose what you do, but really until you get a whole lot of work where you can say no to stuff, you take most of what comes in, and if it's a headache, you take the headache, but it gets your name out there, it gets your work out there, and that's what people like to see. So like I said, if you enjoy the channel, if you enjoy what I do, if you enjoy watching me, because I have fun making these videos, it's just something I do on the free time I have from the 2 jobs, the business and life itself. So anyway, it's hard to find some free time to do this, but I'm working on a video right now. It was a trailer video I did for a guy. I'm sorry, it's a video about a trailer that I did for a guy, and we did some modifications for it to handle some heavier equipment. I thought it was pretty neat. Laid down some slick beads, they look really good. I'm working on that video right now. However, it's taking longer than what I wanted, so this is to give you a quick update of what was going on, and just so you could get a visual and stay up to date. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I enjoy making them. Hope y'all have a good one, and I'll catch you on the next one.